Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and welcome to a new week. The Australian dollar at present is still flirting with the 60-day moving average. As I view it, the market should still continue to weigh on this area around 71.70 and eventually see a move lower. In light of the last week, the market's choppy price action around the 60-day moving average, we should still look towards 71.25 and a base around 70.55 with any upside attempts still struggling above the 72 handle. As you can see over the past, every time we challenge this 60-day moving average, the market tends to, in a bull case, reverse, and I do expect to see this happen again. The euro struggled on Friday to uphold its gains from the beginning of the week, and therefore looks back towards the support region of 113. In light of the pattern, and also with the indicators remaining relatively heavy, I feel the market may take out 113 and look down towards the bottom of the range, anywhere from 111 to 112. Any advancement should struggle above 113.65. The dollar yen took another look at the downside at that 114.70 support, and as you can see from the challenge, it respected the lows around 114.78. I feel the market is still a little bit heavy and therefore could see another test today and see if we can crack this level. If so, it would give a little bit of a slippage down to 114.15 and reassess from there. Little to say about the pound as it still continues to hold in a 134.60 to 136.60 range. The market still seems hesitant in challenging that top side of the range, and therefore I expect to see a short pullback, but most probably find demand as we get closer to the bottom side of the range around 134.60 to 135. As you can see, sterling Kiwi still remains somewhat heavy. I still would like to see it break the level of 202.30 and therefore give further opening to the downside to around that 2 figure. That's where I feel the measured move is from the break of this 4-month trend. Let's see if the market can continue. The technicals are heavy, so it does support the view. In light of the recent challenge to that top side, we've got a doji in play, and therefore it looks to me that the market has hit a top. There is still divergence, and that gives me some concern that the market may take a snap to the downside. And if we can take out the level of 1,879, then I feel the market could easily fall or plummet down to 1,840 to 44. It's interesting to see that since we've got to the 7-8 year highs around 91, that oil appears to be struggling up here. The market is at this present stage still looking towards the 86 level, I feel, because of the weak technicals, and therefore could see a crack at the support at 86. Let's reassess from there though, and because the technicals do need to support it further. We did get a bit of a sell-off from that bearish divergence, but not as much as the market may have, as the bears may have hoped. Still, I do feel we may get another tail test today. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please look out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.